What is one habit or routine that you do that has changed your life or is responsible for your success? Or, you know, has a play in your success?
There's three things I think people should do every day. Okay. These are really simple things. I think they make every day a win. Okay, so I think they should journal. So take some time to write in a journal, get your thoughts on paper from your mind.
Yep.
I think you should go for a walk. Yep. Quiet time where you do nothing, you're just walking around. You're in nature, you're outside. Do a phone call on the walk if you don't have time to just go for a walk, right? So like go outside, experience nature, walking, have this sort of movement through stillness, right?
Even in a city, even if I live in a city?
Even if you live in a city. Take a walk around a parking lot, look at the ground, you know? And the last one, and this seems the same as walking, but it's different, have some sort of strenuous exercise that you do. Yeah. If you take care of your body, your mind and your spirit will be better. You'll have ideas. Have some where you're doing something, there's no screens. Yeah. You know, like I love swimming because there's no screens. Yep. And you can't hear anything and you're staring down. Yeah. And, you know, and I love that, like, the reason I think you need the exercise is like you can have the shittiest day at the office. You could get, the worst sales report of your business, but you lifted, a PR, on your deadlift. Yeah. Or you just had a really good run. You had like 30 minutes of winning. Yep. And so give yourself that every day. Yeah.
Huge.
Hey, it's Ryan. I just wanted to thank you for supporting Daily Stoic. If you want to support us more, please subscribe, like our videos, comment, share with your friends. Sign up for our email at dailystoic.com/email. Thank you for all the support.
Okay, last one. It's kind of similar to the one you already said, but if you could prescribe anything to the entire world for 30 days and they have to do it. So I guess it's different because those are more habits. Yeah. This is more what you prescribe it to the entire world for 30 days. They all have to do it. And obviously you're hoping that there'll be some positive outcome.
I would give them some work of ancient philosophy, probably a collection of different things, but I'd go, look, and this goes to the thing we're talking about the importance of reading. For 5,000 plus years, really smart people have been thinking about all the problems of the human experience. Yeah. And they've tried a lot of things out, Yeah. And they came to some interesting conclusions that are confirmed by Eastern philosophy, Western philosophy, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Confucianism. They all basically come to the same conclusions, right? Power of stillness, the perils of ego, the power of the mind to choose how it sees things, all. So maybe instead of doing all this by trial and error and bumping into really painful things along the way, maybe we should benefit ourselves of that wisdom. Like I say in Ego, there's a line, this guy says, like, any fool can learn by experience. I prefer to learn by the experience of others. Yeah. Tolstoy's line was like, I don't understand people who do not have conversations with the wisest people who ever lived. Yeah. That's what philosophy is. That's what wisdom is. You're an idiot to not take them up on it. Yeah. It's free. It's for free on the internet. Yeah. It's free at any library. Yeah. Or it's $10. You can carry it around for the rest of your life in a book. Do it.
It's so crazy to me that when we talk, because one of the other things I wrote down in the notes was the line of that you can talk to the most intelligent people in the world or whatever, but or in history. It's almost crazy to hear you say it and think that for 5,000 years people have been saying, hey, this is true. Yes. And we keep repeating, we do it over and over, and every generation has a different way of saying, hey, these are the truths. And they're all the same.
They're all the same.
Essentially, even like religious, even the Bible, they're all fundamentally similar.
Even the neuroscience that we are researching is like, oh, same thing. Accomplishments don't make you happy, or whatever. Yeah. Like it's so simple. Yeah. But we won't do it because we're afraid, because we don't think we're worth it. Because it's hard.
That's interesting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below for more content from Daily Stoic.